friends, welcome to my new channel. For my first video, I decided to do an Erin Condren unboxing. As a teacher, I find inspiration in a really great calendar. And I studied a lot of YouTube videos, and I went to the Erin Condren website, and I jumped at placing an order on launch day. And I'm going to share it with you. Very exciting. Okay. So they have a back to school collection, and it looks beautiful. Lots of good things there. So we'll start with this. This is the focused planner. This year I decided to go with something that didn't have a lot of decoration so that I could decorate it myself. This is beautiful. It's got a vegan leather, soft vegan leather cover on both sides. And then the front has some gold foiling, which I'm not sure if it's rose gold or gold. I think it's gold though, with a really cool design. I like that it has the gray tabs, and the paper is really, really nice. In a future video, I'm going to go through and show you how I decorated it to start planning. Our school just let out, and I am really looking forward to planning for the next year. I teach art, so I teach grades 8 through 12. And, you know, it'll be interesting to see how I go about using this planner in the next year. The planner that I used in the past was a full 8.5 by 11. And I was really interested in using a smaller one this year. We'll see how that works out. And in the back is, what's this? Some checklists. Like I said, last year I had an 8.5 by 11, and I actually used the disc bound system. So now going back to this, not being able to move things around so much, I will let you know how that goes. Now, some of the fun things I got to go with this were, I got some stickers. I got 2 sets of stickers. I do love Erin Condren stickers. They have Cool for School. This is this year. Last year they had a different group of different stickers for planning. And like I said, they're gonna look so nice in my focus planner. And then I got this one. This is Flowers Remind Us We Can Bloom Where We Are Planted. Very inspirational. And these colors are muted, which I love that style too. So, you know, I'll probably go through and make some really creatively colored ones, and then I'll go through and I'll have some muted ones too. So it'll be fun to decorate the planner this year. Another thing I got was, this was a package of different things here. And it was the, again, Bloom Where You're Planted line. And I got a planny pack, which I'm really excited to use. Let's open that. All right. It looks so nice. It has a little pocket in the front. It's beautiful. Okay, this is a really nice color zipper. And then inside it's pink. Love pink. With pockets. And it'll be nice to have all of my writing supplies and stickers and things in this. And then it sits on top of the cover of my focus planner. Like this. See? I love it. And the colors go nice together, which I was kind of worried about that, but it worked out. Also, as a part of that package of things, it comes with these bookmarks, mini snap-in bookmarks. And I got this universal snap-in weekly scheduled dashboard. So it's nice that they snap right into the planner. I also got another thing to snap in. Lots of things to snap in. This one's the Post-its and those beautiful flower patterns. So, and then lastly, I got some washi tape. This washi tape is very beautiful. This one, I was really excited to get this checkerboard pattern. I don't know why, but I like that. And the other ones are just beautiful too. So very, very nice. All right. And the last things I got were, well, actually, first of all, these came free with the launch day buy. It's a nice lanyard. It's really nice. Very colorful and very sturdy. This is a very sturdy lanyard. Heavy hardware. And I also got this pen. I'm a sucker for pens and art supplies, and that's something I hope you'll see in my channel in the future. My love of art supplies. All right, and this is, oh, this is really exciting. It has on one side a black, very small bullet tip. And on the other side is I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but a heart stamp. That is so cute. So you can see that is really nice. Very nice writing tool. And then we have the heart stamp. Oh, look at that. So you can make bullet points. You can mark off things when they happen. There's lots of things you can do with that. That's great. Love that. They actually have a whole set of markers with different stamp ends, and so if you're inspired to buy something with a little stamp like this, the set looks very cool. And I love that actually all the ends, all of the writing tips are black, and then the stamps are different colors. So I think that's really nice and usable. Very usable. The last thing that I bought was something I couldn't resist because it was a sale. And it was buy two, get one free notebooks. And so these are what I got. So this one, I am a sucker for Star Wars. So I got this beautiful Star Wars notebook. And it's got Tatooine on the cover, the twin suns, perfect for Kenobi that just came out. And there's a moisture farm machine on the back. And on the inside is my favorite duo, C-3PO and R2-D2. This is soft bound, I think it's, you know, leather or vegan leather. Vegan leather, yes, 124 pages. And it opens nice and flat and has lines for the pages. So that's very cool. I love that. This one was just a beautiful artist. Look at this artist's work. And I love Erin Condren's shiny covers. You can change them out when you want to do that. Isn't that beautiful? I can't think of the name of the artist, but I love her. She's a beautiful artist. And then finally another Star Wars, and I just love them. It looks like little travel stamps. And it's front and back. And this one I bought as a sketchbook. This is plain. I wished I'd have gotten one of them to be a bullet journal, but I got this one as lined too. So yeah. Anyway, this is going to be very inspiring to work in. So if you love this, which I hope you love it, let me know what you think. And if you're a teacher, let me know what you are going to use as your planner this year. I'd be interested to know how you're going to plan in it. But this is my haul, and like I said, in a future video I am going to also plan in here and show you how I plan on using my planner for the upcoming year. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all stay inspired, and I hope you all join me on this journey for inspiration. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.